Hi everyone's quick tutorial on how to use your email. When you want to send your email out to massive amount of people, the best thing to do is to not actually put them in the to place, because that means everybody's going to see everybody else who's getting the email, and they'll see everybody else's email address. So what you start with doing is you put your name here. So I will send a massive email out to first myself. Now carbon copy that appears here, CC, means if you add people to this CC, they will be able to actually view the email addresses of everybody who is being sent in the to case and the CC. Sometimes you don't want to send it to all of those people so that they see all the individual email addresses. You could protect student and parent emails by using something else called BCC, blind carbon copy. Anybody you put in a blind carbon copy will get the email. They will not see who else is getting the email. The advantage to this is twofold. It protects people's privacy, it helps prevent spam, and when somebody gets the email, when they hit reply all, the only people who are going to get that email is the original sender and the person sending the email. So you can prevent a lot of reply alls, you can protect people's privacy, and you can also prevent spam in the future. Have a great day emailing.